3.0 has really changed how realistic AI videos can look. Received questions like,
success,
how do I create real cinematic action movies that will look so natural and real? Things like fire, smoke, action movements, just like the video you just watched. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to achieve this perfect movement and videos using Kling 3.0 inside the Higgsfield platform. The best part, I'm also going to show you how to achieve perfect lip sync, real character emotion, and how to create longer videos, not the usual 3 to 5 seconds clips we normally get before. I will show you how to get the perfect results step by step. What I actually like about Kling 3.0 is the fact that it follows my prompt promptly and the videos comes out clean without those weird AI glitches that we normally see. And it is not just text to video. You can create videos using just text, images, or reference scenes. All this inside one AI video workflow. This is beautiful. Let me quickly show you how to access Kling 3.0 and start creating beautiful scenes for your channels. Okay, to start creating your video, first thing you need to do is to head over to your browser, and once it opens up, you log in with your Gmail. I'll leave the link Higgsfield AI in the description box below, and once you are in here, this is Higgsfield and this is what the interface looks like. All right, so the first thing you will see here is Unlimited Kling AI 3.0. You can click here or just go to video, click on video right here, and here you will see Kling 3.0. all right, so you click on it and here you will come into Kling 3.0 where we'll be creating all the videos. All right, I have been testing this tool for the past days right now. All right, so these are my projects, what I did. So this is where everything will be happening right now. So now you know how to log in. Let's move over to the next thing. Now you have seen how to get into Kling 3.0. Let's create an actual movie style scene. This tool is very strong when it comes to action movement and cinematic motion. Let's get into that. Okay, so right now in the action scene, this is what I created. And this was the prompt. This is it. I actually love Kling 3.0 because you just input your text, which is your prompt, and it will turn your prompt into video. Can you imagine? So I didn't add any image, as you can see right here. I just added my prompt. Look at it right here, cinematic Nigerian highway. And if you look at this scene right now, you see that this is a Nigerian highway and the scene was well detailed. A Nigerian man walking, this is exactly what it interpreted. Imagine without any image, it was able to get a perfect scene. The fast moving car suddenly brakes hard and the rest of it. This is the prompt, and of course I'll be dropping the prompt on my WhatsApp channel for my community. All right, and also I'll leave it in the description box in the Google Doc so you can be able to access all the prompts that I'll be showing you, all the prompts for the whole videos that I generated and the ones that we'll be working with. All right, so right here, to create something like this is to come here, create video, and simply click on this right here. As you can see, there are start frame and end frame, which I'll still show you how to do that. But for now, you just have to toggle off multi-shot so that you can just input just one prompt if you are generating something like this for your scene. If you're not doing a multi-shot, you simply toggle it off. As you can see, I pasted this right here and hit generate, and I was able to get something like this. And I tried something else. So I also created this so I will know how the smoke and the fire looks. because most times it doesn't look that natural. When you create something like this, it doesn't give you the realistic expectation that you want. So I tried this with Kling 3.0 and this is what it gave me, and I would say that this is amazing. It was real. It was like, this is realistic. This is the best right here. All right, so this is it right here. It was perfect. The smoke was real. Everything was I was really excited when I saw this, because this right here is something that if you have been looking for AI tool to create your action movie, anything, you can be able to use this. All right, Kling 3.0 is actually very good. And I also tried this right here. I also tried this gunshot, and it was very, very beautiful. This is it right here. The action scene, the details, the way it understand details. This right here, I just added image, just an image and a short prompt, and Kling 3.0 was able to give me something like this. I wanted to also see the fight scene, and it was amazing. Just look at this. Look at, like, everything was perfect. So you can see right now how good Kling 3.0 actually is. But this tool is not just about action movements. It also supports very good lip sync and also emotional character performance. This is beautiful. Alright, so for perfect lip syncing, Kling 3.0 is actually doing very amazing. This is the prompt that I gave it. This is my prompt right here. Mother speaking emotionally but happily, gentle, genuine smile. While, of course, this prompt as well will be in the description box. All right. So right now, this is it. Right here. This is the video.
And so she gathered all the pieces and made them whole again.
All right. So as you can see, the lip sync is perfect. Everything, the facial expression. So this is for my Faceless creators. All right. You all know that I'm very big on Faceless channel. So this is for you. There's no way I will do this video without including something for my Faceless creators. All right. So this is it right here. You can use this to create a perfect scene. Feel free to explore and create amazing videos for your Faceless channels and more, because Kling 3.0 can lip sync perfectly. It can make two persons to interact very well. And let's look at this emotional story right here, because this is where emotional storytelling really matters. Of course, if the face doesn't look and feel real, the whole video won't be real. All right, so let's see this video and see how Kling 3.0 interprets tension, fear, anger. As you can see, this video is very beautiful. All right, this is well detailed. Everything, the tear, like honestly, this is so realistic. All right, so as you can see right now, Kling 3.0 is actually the best so far in emotion interpretation. To create multi-shot, all you need to do is to toggle this on right here. Then you can be able to add your first prompt, second prompt, and as well add more. You can be able to add third shot, fourth shot. All right, and the good thing is you can also add elements. By adding elements, this is you telling it how you want it to appear. This is you showing it, okay, do it this way for me. Leave the visual expression or anything that you want it to keep in mind while giving you the prompt. All right, this is first the one that I added for the scene. You can also create new element right here. The name doesn't really matter a lot, but you just need to, you can just add short and then add any image reference. You can add as many as possible here in elements depending on the video you are generating. And once done, you click on generate. All right, so with this right here, check your prompts, and once you are sure that everything is set, you simply hit on generate and you have your multiple short video generated. Kling is very good in details. I mean, it is very good close shots. This is amazing. This is amazing. So all you need to do is to add your elements and you are good to go. And right now they are giving a discount, so simply head over to Kling 3.0 and get this right now, right? And this depends on when you are seeing this. As you can see, they are doing a discount right now to start creating your videos now that the discount is still available. The good thing about Kling 3.0 is that it is not just about action movements and lip sync. You can also use it for general content, storytelling videos, marketing videos, and faceless content for your YouTube channel or any social media platform that you have. And you can create longer videos up to 15 seconds. So with Kling 3.0, AI videos start looking realistic and more professional. You can really go from text to video without really stressing yourself of converting your text to image and all the rest of it. Kling 3.0 have made everything much more easier and better. And the biggest part for me is the fact that you can create both storytelling videos, action movements, and the rest of it all in one place. I know you are already excited right now. Let me know in the comments what to be creating with this powerful AI tool. Try it out, see what you can create, and let me know in the comments. I am Success and I wish you success. I know you would love to see me in my next video, so give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and also turn on the notification bell so you can be able to see my next video once it drops. I'll see you soon. Bye.